Welcome back to the channel. We're working on a set of 3-piece smoothies for a client in NorCal, and he wanted a different finish. He wanted a brush finish, so we kind of mocked it up here on our balancer to see what we can do to achieve that brush finish. And we're going to use some 220 and a Scotch-Brite pad, and we're just doing the lip itself. So wish us luck, and we'll see what happens with the result.
Staying alive. All that I feel is a fire inside. I have outrun it. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game. This is happening.
It's getting there.
This is my time, faster than ever, hungry, and I'm going to come back and take what is mine, bigger and better. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game. This is happening. I am back again.
Dual drilled, 5x130, 5x112, chalk, gloss chalk centers, black bolts, brushed outer hoops for a split bus in Northern California. They'll fit early Volkswagen caps. And we did slightly different, half-inch difference in front wheels and rear wheels. Pretty sexy.